Yo, it's Ryan, the Smart Web Tutor. What's going on? It's another day. We're here with another video, right? We got to come to you every day with a new video. It's just because I want to, right? And I know you want to learn some new stuff every single day, right? So that's why I'm bringing you another video, and we're just coming every day, right? We're producing. Every day we want to produce. Okay, you need to choose which one you're going to be working on, what platform, and what you want to produce every day. Right now, I'm working on my group over there on Facebook and building out this channel, right? Every day, putting something out, new content, creating, being a creator, bringing stuff out into the world so that other people can enjoy, other people can learn, and take that information and go with it, right? There's different venues, different ways to go out there and reach your audience. You need to choose that topic. You need to choose that platform. You need to choose what you want to be and who you want to affect. Every single day, creating. And that's why I want to come with the topic today. It's posting on social. Right? Posting. We're always posting stuff. We're putting out stuff, putting out these different things, but much of the time we're not being strategic about how we're doing it and how we're putting our stuff out there, right? We're just posting, putting a picture, saying something. And a lot of times, much of that doesn't have any resonance with your audience. They're not going to be able to see it if it doesn't relate to them. That's why we want to get the stuff out there and be able to put it out strategically in different times of the day, different formats, different messages that help lead your customer towards your offers, giving them the opportunity to get to know you better, get to know who you are and what you want to do and how you want to serve. So today's product is called Posting for Profits. Posting for Profits was a 5-day challenge that was done live. And now I'm bringing it to you in my membership area as a recorded training. 5 days, near 5 hours worth of content that you can absorb and use to your benefit and learn how to strategically plan and post on social. The main platform, Facebook. The topics and the subject matter could be used for any social media site that you want to use it on. Crafting, using your skills and being strategic about it and putting your content out there on a daily basis. You don't want to miss days, but you want to stay consistent, right? Stay consistent. Okay, so you do it every other day. But as long as you're staying consistent and letting your audience know that you're still alive, right? That you're still there, that you care. How many people have you done business with online that just took your money and you never heard from them again? Or you hear this person, they're all excited about stuff. They're all gung-ho, right? And then 3 weeks later, they're gone. You never see them again. Where did they go? What happened? All this excitement, and then you're gone, right? You got to stay consistent. And Posting for Profits course will take you through the steps on how to be consistent, how to strategically plan, how to put out the correct posts and when, and how to craft them. Pretty soon, I'm going to take you over to the sales page so that we could go over there and take a look, do a rundown of what they're offering. And then you could go over there afterwards, take a look for yourself, see what you got there, see the offer. It's a great training, 5 days worth of content to get you further on with your business. You got to find these trainings, the general foundational trainings, the ones that help you get along, right? Don't break the bank. Find something that's like this, a good course for a decent price where you can know that what you're doing is studying something that's foundational and that you could use it within a few days to start generating yourself leads, sales, and signups, right? So let's head on over there to the sales page so I could show you further, and then we could get to making a decision here on whether this is something that's right for you and if you want to move forward. All right, we'll see you over there. All right, so here we are. This is it. This is the page, right? We're over there. Now we're over here. We're taking you all over the place. But one place that I wanted to take you is right to this page, Posting for Profits, 5-day challenge that was done previously live, but I'm bringing it now to you in my membership area where you could watch it on your own time. You can absorb the content, get through it, and start implementing these on your social profiles. Learning how to craft, learning how to do the posting at the right time and what to say. All right? So the 5-day Posting for Profits challenge. 5-day challenge, step by step, exactly what to post and when to get more cash, customers, and recruits into your business fast using only your FB profile. Okay? Again, I mentioned the core value of this training is Facebook. But this system can be used on any platform. Okay, you just need to make the tweaks to how you're posting on those other platforms, because some of the platforms don't allow you to make full-fledged posts. You have to do snippets, right? You got to do something short, like if you're on Twitter, you got to do 140 characters or something like that, and so you're not able to utilize as much space. Going over to LinkedIn or something like that, you'll be able to do similar posts. All right, so again, the concept's the same, whatever you're planning out. It's how to plan it out strategically, and using the Posting for Profits technique is going to get you there. All right, no paid ads, no techie funnels, no previous experience required. Okay, if you're new, or if you've been doing this for a while, you've been trying to figure out how to get this thing done with posting on your profile and posting on your page or groups, then this is going to help you out considerably. All right. This Posting for Profits 5-day challenge includes day 1, how to optimize your profile to position you as the authority, even if you're brand new. Day 2, how to create effective lifestyle posts to get people begging you to join your team. Day 3, how to create product posts without being spammy that get people asking about your products. Day 4, how to create business posts that get people messaging you about your opportunity or your business, right? Day 6, how to create story posts that build trust and inspire prospects to want to buy from you. The Posting for Profits 5-day challenge is now a recording. It's in my membership area. So you know where you're staying, right? You're staying with me. You're not going anywhere. $17, regularly $97. Get instant access to all 5 days of these challenge videos today. Click here to enroll. Buy now, right? $17. Near 5 hours worth of content. Go through this. $17. That's it. You're not breaking the bank. You're not taking out your second mortgage to pay for this training. You're just getting simple foundational training by a top producer to help you out with your skills online, right? And Posting for Profits is it. $17. The problem: we are in the middle of one of the most uncertain economic times in human history. And we want to provide the amazing home business profession with the tools and support so leaders like you can help the millions of people who desperately need your leadership, product, and opportunity now. We literally can't do in-person one-on-one meetings, hotel parties, home meetings, or live events right now. So to impact the world and change lives in today's marketplace, the only option now is to turn to the internet, and specifically the power of social media. That said, the sad reality is network marketers are constantly being told to reach out to strangers on social media and ask if they are open to an opportunity, i.e. spam. And when they say no, they just move on to the next stranger. The problem with this is you constantly get rejected, you build zero relationships, and recruit next to nobody, and you waste countless hours on social media. Why are you trying to duplicate a spammy, painful process that produces little to no reps for your organization and takes up 100% of your precious time? My friend, this is a serious problem. Again, the language here goes towards network marketing, okay? Network marketing, affiliate marketing, anything that you're asking people to come and look at your product, right? So don't get mixed up in the terminology here, but it's sales, and it's about putting your product out there and allowing people to see you as the solution, somebody that can provide the solution to them with their needs, right? So that's what it is. The solution. There is hope even in the midst of madness and chaos in the world right now. You are that hope. You are that beacon of light, and we want to make sure you thrive, serve, and yes, even create wealth leveraging the power of social media. Newsflash, there's a better way to leverage 21st century technology and social media to get in front of the right people who would actually want to join your opportunity. Behold, a simple prospecting and recruiting formula a broke single mom of two used to break records in her company and become the #1 recruiter in North America, all via social media and without spending a dime on ads. We want to give you this prospecting and recruiting formula so you too can find red-hot prospects for your organization on social, connect and build rapport fast, transition to the conversation to business in under 2 minutes, get them to excitedly watch your presentations and close them in your opportunity. Introducing the Prospect and Recruit Reps in 5 minutes 5-day challenge to become a top earner in your business. Okay? Again, don't get hung up on the terminology. Top earner in your business or company, top earner in your product, right? If you're an affiliate, you could be the top affiliate promoting that product. If you're selling your own product, you can increase your sales in your products. If you're in a network or marketing business, you can increase your reach and your leverage and become the top earner in your company. Okay, we're just talking about making sales of any product that you're trying to get out there into the public. How much more pain and suffering are you willing to endure by spamming 50 plus strangers per day on social media and hearing no 99.999% of the time? Not being able to effectively prospect and recruit people every single week into your organization may already be costing you and your family a great deal. Why would we do this? You're probably wondering. First, it's our way of saying thank you for stepping up as a courageous leader while most of the world right now would not. Second, we are on a mission to flip the 97% failure rate upside down, and that starts today with you. For a very limited time only, you can get your hands on this entire challenge for just $17. 17. Come on. Listen, you're getting 5 hours worth of content, right? It's top quality by one of the top earners, all right? This is somebody that's making hundreds of thousands of dollars online doing this specific thing, right? So don't hesitate when it comes down to it. It's not about suspicion. This is about just finding quality content so that you can do your work and produce like these people are doing, okay? It's not saying that you're going to start making millions of dollars. It's just saying that you need to start doing the work properly, doing the steps. All right? Everything you get when you buy the Posting for Profits 5-day challenge. Access to the Posting for Profits 5-day challenge Day 1, how to optimize your profile to position you as the authority, even if you're brand new. Day 2, how to create effective lifestyle posts to get people begging you to join your team. Day 3, how to create product posts without being spammy that get people asking about your products. Day 4, how to create business posts that get people messaging you about your opportunity. Day 5, how to create story posts that build trust and inspire prospects to want to buy from you. All right, 5 days. This is like 5 hours worth of training, give or take, and typically $97. Yours today, $17. All right, it's a no-brainer. This is an awesome course. I was there live, and now I'm able to offer it to you, and this is in my membership area, okay? You take advantage of this $17 offer. You get an email that gets you login details to my membership area, and you start learning, all right? It's simple, easy peasy, all right? Well, my name's Ryan. I'm the Smart Web Tutor. I appreciate you coming to this channel and watching my videos. I hope that you're getting value out of it. You're getting some training here while I'm also showing you these products. If you like this video, hit the like. All right, don't hesitate, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. All right, so that you can get updates when I go live or when I'm putting out a new video. We don't want you to miss out on anything. I want you to be here. I want you to interact. If you got questions, put a comment down below so that I can get back to you and respond, okay? You're dealing with me. You're not dealing with other people, and I'm trying to help you out here daily. If you like these videos, again, hit like, subscribe to the channel so we can interact more in the videos to come. I want to thank you again. Well, we'll see you in the next video, all right? You take care. Bye now.